Hi guys, today I'm starting my journey for my graduation project in my studies. After I had so much fun creating my augmented reality app, I decided to take it one step forward and work on a virtual reality app for my graduation project. For me, it is a moment of truth and a bold step forward in a direction I feel the consumer technology industry heads. It all starts with fun unboxing videos, so I will unbox two products for you guys. The Oculus Quest VR headsets and the DJI Osmo 3 gimbal. Please subscribe to my channel, it is free and you will be able to follow my progress. Enjoy! That was so exciting. Although I cannot share what my project is all about exactly yet, I think it is safe to say it will announce my productivity in my exciting graduation project. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below with your guesses. It means the world to me. Until next time, bye bye!